Welcome Milano family to yet another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. And today I'm super excited that we have a DeBordieu South Carolinian that gave us our recipe today, and her name is Lauren Connor. Lauren, thank you so much. And we are whipping it up today. Beautiful, beautiful breakfast sandwiches. Take a peek at this. They're gorgeous, they're simple. You can take these, you can prep it, let's just say on a Sunday, and you can freeze them and you can make them for every day of the week like this. So guys, it's so nice to see you. Recipe is down below, but watch this. What are we trying to always do? We're trying to work smarter, not harder. So we're gonna pre-make some breakfast sandwiches. Really, really simple, as usual. We just need eggs, we need some English muffins that are pre-toasted, got some slices of your favorite cheese, whatever you want, bacon, a little cottage cheese, a little bit of cream, gotta grease that pan, salt and pepper, and that's it. Okay, so we've got our eggs. So I'm gonna do, I just did for 6 sandwiches, so I did 6 eggs. All right, we're gonna take just a little bit of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna whip that up. And then we're going to take just a little salt and pepper. We're going to put it, sprinkle just a dash. Can't forget salt and pepper. Alrighty. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a little spray or a little butter to grease the pan. All right, so we have our eggs, we have our salt and pepper, we have a little bit of cream, and we're going to take, about, I don't know. It doesn't really matter, you don't have to have exact ingredients, but about a half a cup of cottage cheese. Then in our pan that's been greased up a little bit, we're just going to put it on in. So we're gonna put a little foil. We're going to cook it at 350 for about 25 minutes or so. These are ready in a snap. You put them in the freezer, they're great for the kids. So stand by, we'll be back in just a minute. All right, so we just took our eggs out of the oven. Let's open her up. I like to cover them not to get them too dark. Just delightful. So we're making 6, so we're gonna do 3. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take just a scoop of the egg, put it on the bottom, all right? You're gonna take a piece, any sort of cheese that you'd like, top it with your meat of choice, and we're gonna pop it like this, and that's it. Okay, so if you're going to eat it right now, fabulous. I like to go pop it back in the oven for about 5 or so minutes so the cheese melts. So we'll be back in just 5 minutes so we can have a little yummy bite of breakfast deliciousness. Be back in a sec. All right, we are back. We've got our little breakfast sandies out of the oven. Let's take a little peek. Look at that. Just beautiful. So remember, meal prep. You know, whether you're working with children, you're in school, look at this. Oh, should I take a taste? Let's take a little taste, hold on. Cut it up. Oh my God, the bacon's just oozing out. Oh my goodness gracious. And this is hot. Wow, 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 I'm gonna lose my cheese. Okay, let's take a taste. So good. It's so easy. So we will see you in the showroom, or we will definitely see you in the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. We will see you then.